This is the Dveda Touch 2 C5S wireless earbuds on Greg's Reviews. Inside the box you'll find a manual, the earbuds charging case, both earbuds, and an accessories box. Inside the accessories box you will find earbud tips, a wrist strap, and a charging cable. The charging case has a clear window that allows you to see the charging LCD. The design is very cool in the dark. Under the rear dust cover is a charging port and a USB port to charge your other devices. I really like the design of these earbuds and the LED light. They were very comfortable and support HD audio AAC. I did enjoy the sound quality quite a bit, but they were very bass heavy. My EDM, I had to take the bass down quite a bit for them to sound natural. These did work very well for watching videos and are very comfortable, so they were great all-around headphones. At $33, these were a great deal and I give them 5 stars.